on a motorcycle trip, routine is everything. For me, the late night routine ends the day right, and I'm in my tent blowing up my air mattress and looking at my pictures, and it's just the perfect way to end the day. But the way you start your day is also very, very important. And if you're a coffee drinker like me, then I don't like to miss my espresso if I can manage it, and I found a way to do that on the road. In this video, I'm going to review the Minipresso coffee maker by Wacaco, and here's how you can have your espresso too. So this is how we have our morning coffee, or at least I do. If you are a coffee freak, I don't consider myself a coffee freak, but I do like a good espresso. So Peng likes his drip coffee. I'm not a huge fan, but
I'm not a coffee snob.
This is kind of doable only if you can boil water, you know, on the trip, and obviously if you're carrying your mess kit, you'll be able to do that. But it is a process. But then again, it's the little thing you take in the morning, a few minutes just to start the day off, and you don't rush through. But this is neat. This is Peng's Hudel, some German thing. I don't have the box.
I think actually it's Sweden.
Hudel, yeah. So it's pretty cool.
I'll give you the link. You can put it in the description. Yeah. I like this little.
Yeah, this is more for van life than it is for. Well, no, it could be, I guess. No, it couldn't be because the plug, but I mean the size-wise, pretty neat though how it contracts. So this boils the water pretty quickly, I've noticed. And I use the Minipresso by Wacaco. Wacaco Company Limited. So this uses Nespresso pods, coffee pods, which obviously is not ideal because although you can recycle these with the company, it's just kind of at home. I don't use this actually. I have a proper espresso machine and I use Cuban coffee. So the way you do this is there's water, obviously just enough for an espresso, and the pod goes in here. I'll show you that in a second. Let's have the water boil first. So basically you can measure out water to the line. If you do more, it will start to overflow, but you should always put a little more when you're boiling it, obviously. Okay, I think that's on. It's gonna be pretty quick. So on the other side, you have the cup. That's what you're gonna drink out of, and then you unscrew the place where you put the pot. You see? It's got little sharp teeth, so don't put your fingers in there. And then you just basically screw that on. Don't be too tight. And then we're gonna add water there. You have this little pump here. You unscrew it, the pump comes out, and then you're ready to pump coffee to your cup once the water is ready. So pretty neat little design. It's not very heavy or anything. I mean, for backcountry backpacking, it probably would be considered absurdly heavy, but there it is. It's already done. Fill the water just to the line.
Just FYI, if you put more water in this, it will automatically stop when it boils. But when you put so little water, the sensor is not sensitive enough, and it'll just keep boiling for a while. So. And
the only thing I noticed with this coffee setup, this Wacaco or whatever machine, is that even though you're using boiling water, by the time it hits the cup, it like cools down. I like my coffee hot, you know, and it becomes, if you wait 2 minutes, it's too cold, in my opinion. So
could you turn it around?
Yeah,
it's in the light.
So basically you kind of have to use your it's hard. I mean, it's hard. It's not. Look at that beautiful coffee. So
maybe we should do this inside of the wind.
But it comes out really nice. Yeah, you have to use your straight. This is a workout, man. In the morning, you know, if you're getting ready for a rock climb, this is a workout. You know, it's a good way to warm up those tendons. And there it is. And make sure you wash it out or rinse it out before putting it away. Look at that beautiful coffee. Yum, yum. I love it. As baby Lua likes to say, yum, yum, when she eats something delicious. Cheers. Yeah, it's just warm. It's not hot. It's warm. I wish it was hot. That's it. That's our coffee. What is this? Look at that. It's water. It's like colored water. Upgrade, bro.
I don't have to squeeze a little rat every morning.